In this tutorial, I will show you eraser tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. So eraser tool you can locate here. Here is eraser tool stack. Eraser tool which shortcut is E. Eraser tool changes pixels to the background color or makes them transparent. So what is this? Pixels changes pixels to the background color. To demonstrate it, I am here already taken a background layer which I have filled with green color. So I am in this layer, as eraser tool directly work as layer. So this is brush mode, opacity 100%, flow 100%. Okay. So I am brush mode. I am taking a brush with hard round brush or soft round. Okay. So I am clicking here. You can see delete pixel and expose the background color, this color. Okay. Also, if I turned up this layer, you can see now this is changed to the pixel, transparent pixel. Okay. So actually this is eraser tool. Its mode is brush. You can see if you select this mode, your opacity and flow will be working, and you can select or choose soft round brush and it's worked as soft round. You can see the edges is very soft. But when you select pencil mode, you can see flow has gone from here, only opacity working here. Although you get the soft, I am taking soft round brush, but you can see the hard edges. It will not, when pencil mode, it will not allow you to any soft round edges. And block mode, you can see the cursor. This is work as block. You can see this is work as block mode. So, and here is no opacity and flow. Okay. So this was the mode. Opacity, you can see how much transparent or background layer you can visible, 54%, and flow is the strength of it. Also, you can see this is airbrush style build up effects. You can see that when I am clicking it, okay, I am off, turned off the background layer. You can see, okay, you can see this is, if I click here, you can see this is, to demonstrate it, I am undoing it. Okay, so I am undoing it. I am taking flow 1%. Now I am unchecked this and click here. You can see only flow 1% is working, and no more it's allowed to remove the foreground pixel. Okay, but if I check this airbrush styled up, you can see I am clicking here and hold down the cursor. It will airbrush to erase this foreground pixels to expose the background pixel. Okay. Also, you can hold down shift to erase this. I am taking flow again 100%. Erase this. Okay. Also, here is erase to history. If you click here, it will work as history brush tool. So I want, here is, I am making, this is green layer, this is red layer. Okay, I have already created this layer and painting. So I want green layer will be remain here, and this I want to remove this pixels. Okay, so I have turned off this layer, and now eraser brush is worked as history brush. You can see it's removed the other pixels, other color pixels from the layer. So in this way eraser tool works in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If so, subscribe this channel. Keep editing.